This is Lezlie
and Lexy
here at Light Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon. And today Lexy and I are here to introduce you to a brand new collection in the P Plus called the
Timeless Collection. And these are the 12 new, never seen before shades. Out of the 36 launch colors, these are the 12 brand new ones.
They're not in the buttercreams, they're not in the color gels. These have
we invented them
just for you guys and the new P Plus lines. We went with the Timeless Collection because these colors, it's a beautiful neutral palette. Of course, we packed some punches in there.
We had to throw in a couple curveballs.
Oh yeah.
But most of them are very sophisticated, classic,
timeless.
Kind of, they're all, I would say, in the neutral-ish family.
Oh, they're fabulous. And we hit all the corners of the neutral. But
yes.
We're going to go through the 12 new colors and tell you a little bit about them. You're going to see them swatched.
So let's get, and by the end of the video, you're going to be already purchasing them.
They are good colors.
All right, you start, Les.
I'm going to start with one of my, I think probably my favorite in all of them is called Red Lips. And
wow, it's not a pink.
Well, is it a pink or is it a red?
It's a red.
Yeah, it's kind of both. So it is a flashy red with pink undertones. So with Red Lips, when you wear, if you have an outfit on that's red, it's going to show like it's red and bright and bold. If you're wearing a pink, it's going to lean a little bit towards the pink. If you're wearing like your purples, it's going to have more of that cooler tone to it. It kind of just goes with everything. It's so versatile.
It is.
And it's nice and bright. I do like it, but yet it has a lot of sophistication to it. So Red Lips is a must-have. It is perfect for the toes too.
It is.
Just had my toes done with it.
It's a great pop color.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to go in with Strand of Pearls.
Ooh.
This one I would say is the most versatile out of the 12. What's versatile and unique about this one is there is no pigment. This is flecks of blue icy glitter in a clear base. So it's very subtle and soft, but it has that little pizzazz to it with the glitter. What's great about this color is you can wear it by itself and be classy, or you can layer it and put it over any color, and it'll give it a sparkle to that color. So this is a really, really fun one.
It is. And whatever color you put it over it, it's going to change the pop of the glitter to it.
But I'm loving it by itself. Just a nice clear base with some pizzazzy glitter.
It's soft and sweet,
It is. It's very delicate.
It is. So, next we have True Love. I mean, is that timeless? I'm actually wearing
True Love, like us.
I know, I am too. True Love, like you guys. True Love, it's a creamy hot pink. It's almost a fuchsia, but it's a little bit softer than the fuchsia. And I think True Love, it's as you can see, it's bright, it's bold, but yet there is also kind of
I'd call it a medium pink.
Yeah.
I really don't think it's too bright and it's not too soft.
But it does pop and it looks wonderful. It just, like I said, it's kind of a fuchsia, but it doesn't have that redness to the bold part of the fuchsia. The pink softens it a bit.
It is.
It's a fabulous color.
It's a perfect pink.
I love the pinks, but
she does.
I had to throw one of those.
Oh, this next one though, it reminds me of you. This is a Lezlie color. Pink pumps, which I know
I love pumps.
We all love a good pump, ladies, don't we?
Yes.
But this one reminds me of you because it's a very sweet, soft pink.
Does that mean I'm sweet and soft?
Oh yeah, that part had to reel back a bit.
You said, whoa,
but you love your soft pinks.
I do.
So this is a sweet, soft pink with lots of white in the background. You could call it a shy, medium to soft pink. So
it's real sweet. Yeah,
it's a nice neutral light pink.
It's a little bit on the warmer side too. It's not real cool, but it's really nice for that neutral kind of thing. If you don't want that big pop, it's very subtle and it's a soft.
It is.
So the next one that I have is Sunday Best.
Ooh.
And Sunday Best is a sweet pink, and it's laced with lots of silver shiny sparkle. So Sunday Best can be applied over the nail, over your JimmyGel or your Lexy line, or Cutie Base, and it can just go on real soft, and it can be kind of sheer, and just you can see the sparkles in it.
The one coat is a sheer.
Yeah, it's real sheer and soft, but yet so you can wear it as a one coat if you want that softer look. But if you put the two coats on, you're going to get more of that pink pigment behind in there.
Yeah,
gives it a little more.
It's
pop.
almost two colors in one.
It is.
Depending on the one coat or two.
I think that Sunday Best also, if you took any of the colors and you put a thin coat over it, especially the pinks, you could add a real nice dimension to it with the little sparkles in it. But once again, it's a very sweet baby soft pink with just enough sparkle in it to, I don't know, kind of give you a smile, put a skip in your step.
Yes.
Right?
Okay, I'm going to go in with Heirlooms. Heirlooms is my second favorite out of the 12. I have to add that. I'm saving my first one. But Heirlooms, it's going to be so popular. This is, I have to read it because it's so perfect. A soft, dusty rose neutral. This color has a lot of white in the background, but features great coverage. It's light, fun, and just the right amount of pink mauve for every skin tone. And that's really good. It is I'd say a dusty pink mauve.
It is.
It's going to be so popular. I absolutely adore this color.
It's a beautiful neutral, and it's in that mauve. It's not pink. It's not brown. It's just in a beautiful place.
It's gorgeous.
You guys, and it has fabulous coverage. So
Actually, they all have fabulous coverage.
Well, they do.
I do have to say, you could say that about any of these, really.
Well, that's what this stuff is packed full of pigment. So packed. I am going to talk about thank you notes, as we all.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Is it?
Thank you note. That's my number one. I thought it was coming at the end for some
And I'm
reason.
doing it? Okay.
Thank you notes.
You wore a thank you note
for over 3 weeks.
She did. It is.
It was intense, but I absolutely loved every minute of it.
Yeah.
By the last day of 3 weeks, I was ready to change it.
Yeah. But it's not an intense color. I will have to say that.
No, it's perfect.
So thank you note is a creamy, milky lilac. This lilac is not your typical purple, so I wouldn't call it a purple, but it's a warm, and I think this describes it best, a warm, dusty
I was going to say
lavender.
that first sentence did not describe it well. It's very muddy and dusty.
Yeah.
It kind of reminds me, Selena Ryden's going to love this color.
Yeah, she likes her muddy
She
colors.
loves those muddy, it's that muddy lilac. It's soft though.
It's a dusty. It is.
So pretty.
It is really
It's hard to explain. It's perfection.
It is. And so I don't like to use the word purple for it because it's not really a purple, but it has that lavender, that dusty lavender look. It's very calm. You loved it. It looked good with everything you wore.
It's so good. It's so good.
They're all good.
Yes.
Yes.
So write your thank you notes.
Do write your thank you notes. It is important to be acknowledged if you give somebody something.
She's such a mom.
I am.
Okay, next is, a mother's memories.
Oh, I remember you.
A mother's memories. This is a peachy carnation pink. So this one definitely pulls towards the warm. It's creamy, warm, neutral.
It is. And it is very warm. A lot of people ask for a little bit of the peachy colors.
Yes.
Not everybody
it's
can wear them.
starting to become more trendy.
It is. And I really think if you are a medium to darker skin, this is going to be fabulous for you.
Yes.
It's just going to go so well. But it does have a little bit of that peachy in there, which is needed. We need that in our lines. So.
And we've gotten requests for it.
We have. We listen.
We do.
So I have Scenic Route. And this is a sophisticated gray. We have to go with a gray. This is a cream gray. It's not a light gray by any means, and it's definitely not like a granite or a darker gray. It just is right square
right in the middle. It's so wearable.
It is, and it's got that creamy, rich, and sophisticated. But I like it because it has enough color in it. Sometimes grays can kind of wash you out a little bit. This one has enough of that black in there to really make it stand out.
Yes,
but it doesn't go too dark.
No.
And it's truly sophisticated. This will take you year round. I could see wearing this even to a holiday party or something because it's so classic.
Sophisticated gray is the best way to.
It's going to be.
You feel smart wearing it.
Ooh, we need to wear that. I don't know why that was so funny.
Because you're saying we're not smart unless we wear it.
I know.
Okay,
you do
next
that.
color, we're going Scenic Route.
Scenic Route, it is. It is a great gray.
There is a sense of
gives
sophistication.
It gives you confidence, kind of.
It's like,
I don't know.
with me. Just don't.
We're going to stop at this one now.
Yeah,
because
sorry.
We might be going too far. But you got to get a Scenic Route.
Afternoon tea.
Oh.
This is a great one. A neutral peachy brown. It's not an orange and not a brown, but soft and sweet right in between.
Oh, yeah. And it is.
Yeah, it's that kind of tanny, taupey brown.
It's going to be popular. It's a perfect neutral. When someone says a neutral, this is kind of what I think of. So,
and it does lean a little bit more towards that brown, where some of them lean more towards pink or red. This one is a brown. Once again, great with every skin color.
It is. It's Perfect. It's one that you're gonna have it because they're gonna wear it year round, and everybody.
Yeah, it doesn't fit in a season.
No, it doesn't. I like those that kind of you can do that with.
Yeah,
get lots of use out of them.
Timeless. These all really are all 4 seasons.
It is.
Is there 4 seasons?
They
Yeah,
are
there's
timeless.
4 seasons.
There are 4 seasons.
Okay.
You need to wear
Fall.
you need to wear the gray.
Winter, spring, summer.
All right, I'm moving on to Hidden Secrets. This one's kind of a hard one to explain, but I'm doing my best here. It's a cream mauve that's a pink meets brown. So it's a neutral brown with a pinkish red undertone.
It's so hard.
As you can see, you guys are probably looking at it here right now. This, I am going to say, I think it's going to be the most popular
Of the 12?
of the 12.
Yeah,
I really do.
I think so too. And say the cousin one. I think that's a good description.
It is truly a cousin to Rosy Posy. For those of you who are familiar with our line, it's lighter than Rosy Posy.
It's a little bit more red.
A little bit more red and a little bit lighter. So
But it's the same family.
But if you have Rosy Posy, you're going to need this because believe me, it's different enough. Absolutely, that you need it. But it is it's just that rich kind of brownish red that doesn't. It's hard to explain, but as you can see,
But it's a neutral.
It is. It's a neutral that packs a punch.
It does. It's great.
I'm gonna go on record saying I think that's going to be the most popular.
Okay. It's a bold claim, but I think I might agree.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think this next one, Traditions, this is my last one.
Oh,
It
I
might
love
also,
Traditions.
this one I think is also going to rival Hidden Secrets. I got to read this, sorry. This neutral is a light, creamy, tannish taupe. It's soft, sweet, and sophisticated all at the same time. This shade can be worn all year round, and it's a true timeless staple that you'll want to keep wearing that tradition.
Yeah, that's good.
That's what the content says.
We wrote it.
I know. A while ago.
We write our own scripts.
We do.
This is, and it's a great way to say it. It has that taupe. I would call it a taupe, but it is not the purplish taupe.
No, it's a creamy tannish taupe.
Tannish taupe.
Not a purple taupe.
Right. So yeah, for those of you who don't want that cool,
which I think
color,
this might rival for most popular.
Yeah, you might be right, but actually, all of these 12 timeless collections we came out with, I tell you, I don't know if we've come out with a collection that
it's so pretty.
So many people, every one of your clients are going to like all of these colors. They're classic, like I say, they're beautiful. They're on trend though, absolutely. And the P Plus formula, you can't beat it, is absolutely the most amazing soak off gel polish out there. So these colors come in the P Plus, which is a soak off. It can be applied over Cutie Base, so you can soak it off within 7 minutes, or you can apply it over your JimmyGel or your Lexy lines.
Or your acrylic.
It's so versatile. It's something you need, but we wanted to, when we launched this collection, we did want to come out with some brand new colors. We have some oldies but goodies that we knew you wanted when you bought the collection.
But everybody wants to see something new.
Oh,
I mean, everybody does. And once again, what's inside matters here at Light Elegance. These are 9-free, they're HEMA-monomer free, they're cruelty-free, they're vegan, and they're gluten-free.
Yes.
So let's keep our clients and ourselves healthy while we're doing nails.
Absolutely.
Healthy and safe is very important to us here at the lab.
The number one thing that we always think of when making products is not only your clients, but you. We've got to keep you from getting allergies.
Don't you go dying on me now.
Oh my gosh, that would never happen. We love you guys, we care for you, and we do truly make the finest products. We put so much Light Elegance love into everything.
Every little bottle is packed with so much love.
And it's a cute little round bottom flask. Cheers. All right, Timeless Collection P Plus. Get it now.
Yep, pre-order today. Thank you. Bye.